This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your search history on Snapchat. I'll be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open now and I am on the Snapchat app. To clear your search history, first thing you want to do is tap on your profile icon in the upper left-hand corner. Then you will tap on the gear wheel in the upper right-hand corner. Then you'll scroll all the way down toward the bottom, and right here, clear search history. You want to tap on that, and then you'll tap on clear. It says this will clear your search query history. And now the search history has been cleared. That is how you clear your search history on the Snapchat app. Thanks for watching.